What looks like raw power is actually controlled transformation. These machines don't destroy wood, they convert it, turning waste into resources, force into efficiency, and chaos into a system that works. Meet the Schick Tollschwalter DIY2, an engineering marvel born in a backyard, not a factory floor. It slices, splits, and stacks firewood with the confidence of an automated production line. Bark flies, logs crack, and everything flows smoother than a German V8, proving that smart design doesn't need industrial scale to be effective. This isn't cleanup, it's transformation in motion. The Vermeer WC 2500 XL doesn't simply chip wood, it processes it. Tree after tree disappears into steel jaws as the conveyor feeds a steady stream of limbs. In seconds, raw timber becomes flying chips, blasting cleanly into the trailer with relentless efficiency. Blink, and half a tree is gone. This isn't a chipper, it's controlled hunger. Whole logs go in, but what comes out is a storm of perfectly sized chips. Powered by tractor-grade torque and guided by hydraulic claws, it crushes, slices, and ejects with mechanical precision, turning waste into usable material. The Bobber 80RM treats full logs like toothpicks. Feed rollers grip hard, the drum never hesitates, and dense hardwood becomes a controlled wave of fragments within seconds. What looks brutal is actually optimized momentum, engineered for throughput and recovery. Compact machines carry the same philosophy. The CH 2060EL chews through branches, knots, and irregular logs without drama, forming clean piles ready for fuel or mulch. Small footprint, industrial output efficiency without excess. This isn't cutting wood, it's reshaping mass. High-powered saws slice through massive trunks, each pass roaring with controlled force, throwing sawdust like a sandblaster while leaving clean, usable cuts behind. Even small tractors hide serious capability. Mounted on agile platforms, mulchers shred roots, stumps, and underbrush like a blender on wheels. Each rotation of the drum chews through soil and timber with shocking ease, returning organic matter back to the cycle. This isn't land clearing, it's terrain management. Machines with carbide teeth push through undergrowth with relentless consistency, not to erase forests, but to process biomass, reduce hazards, and prepare land for renewal. Ever seen a grinder eject compost faster than it's fed? The Willibald EP 5500 doesn't hesitate. Inside its sleek green body, a high-speed rotor tears through brush like air, clearing entire tree lines in minutes while producing reusable material. Trees don't always go quietly. Heavy dozers dig in, roots snap, soil erupts, and trunks groan as they're pulled free. It looks violent, but every movement is deliberate, reclaiming land and restoring balance through controlled force. Entry level doesn't mean weak. The Woodmiser LX55 may be compact, but it cuts with laser precision. Blades glide through hardwood, clean edges, smooth passes, no waste. This isn't just a starter sawmill, it's the first step toward mastering wood. What happens when an entire forest enters a grinder? Tub grinders don't chew, they consume. Spinning drums pull debris like a black hole, blasting out mulch in controlled storms. Loud, aggressive, but essential for large-scale recycling. Remote-controlled machines go where humans shouldn't. Spinning blades pulverize decades-old roots, flinging chips like a hurricane while keeping operators safe. Precision meets distance. This isn't just splitting wood, it's hydraulic efficiency. Hardened steel blades bite through dense hardwood with no hesitation, turning raw logs into usable firewood in seconds. Forget finesse. Some excavators don't dig, they pull. Hydraulic claws clamp, twist, and tear entire stumps from the earth. Roots snap, soil flies, and underground chaos left by logging is brought back under control. Don't blink. Compact stump grinders chew through roots below ground level, fast and relentless, leaving soil clean and ready for reuse. This isn't stump removal, it's mechanical surgery. Clamp, twist, pull. What once took hours by hand ends in seconds, with minimal disruption and maximum efficiency. High-capacity chippers devour full-size trunks without hesitation. Intake drums grab logs like toothpicks, and seconds later, pure chips explode outward. Not destruction, precision obliteration. This isn't spectacle, it's energy control, it's material recovery, it's volume reduction done with intent. Every machine here turns raw force into usable output. Every motion serves a purpose. This is green technology at its most honest, where power is controlled, waste is transformed, and nothing is destroyed without becoming something else. I honestly don't know what to say because once you understand this, you don't see chaos anymore. You see engineering doing exactly what it was designed to do.